This 2025 Jayco Pinnacle 3.8 FBRK is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Concord, North Carolina 28027 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Charlotte. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Jayco is 43 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 4, Slideout, and 75 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bath and a half, front bath, rear kitchen. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.